PM Narendra Modi, Odisha CM Mohan Maji, Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and other dignitaries extended their warm greetings to people on Makar Sankranti. The people also celebrated the Uttarayan, an astronomical event of the sun's transition from the southern hemisphere to the northern hemisphere. The rituals and the Makar Puja Niti of Lord Lingaraj hampered since Monday evening due to a dispute between Badu Sevayat and Mahaswara Sevayat. Lord Lingaraj was left stranded on Makar Mandap without any rituals till close to noontime. Law Minister Prithviraj Harichandan said that in a bid to maintain discipline at Puri Shri Mandir, men and women devotees will walk in different queues to have darshan of Lord Jagannath, Lord Balbhadra and Devi Subhadra starting January 20. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed the India Meteorological Department as a symbol of India's scientific journey. On the occasion of IMD's 150th Foundation Day, he also launched Mission Mausam, an initiative aimed at transforming India into a weather-ready and climate-smart nation. Implementing strict measures following India's disappointing performance in Test cricket, the BCCI has decided to restrict players' families from accompanying them on tours. Family members can join players for up to 14 days in over 45-day tour and 7 days for shorter tours. A record-breaking 3.25 crore students, parents and teachers have registered to participate in this year's Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025 with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The registrations include a notable number of foreign students as well, further enhancing its global appeal. The first Amrit Snan of Mahakumbh began today on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti, with saints and devotees taking a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam, the sacred confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Rohit Sharma has joined Mumbai squad for training sessions at Wankhede Stadium ahead of Ranji Trophy's second phase, which begins on January 23. Rohit is going through a rough patch for some time. His participation in Mumbai's upcoming Ranji game remains uncertain. In an effort to boost the installation of rooftop solar plants, the centre notified new norms to implement the Payment Security Mechanism component and Central Financial Assistance component for RESCO models, utility-led aggregation models under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana.